Hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Azani from Binus University. I am representing for our team. I would like to present our paper, and the title is about higher education contribution in promoting sustainable tourism destination in Thousand Island, Indonesia. I would like to share screen our uh, paper, and here we go. Okay, and sustainable tourism link with the environmental issue by providing green tourism services, ensuring resources saving, protection on natural environment, and is based on innovation in green services creation. Food became an essential vehicle with tourism destination development and contribute to community socially, culturally, and economically. Food culture can be able as branding element, culture identity, and marketing and place of branding. All at once, the challenges is developing sustainable tourism destination, its place characteristic, and its continuous process of creation and transformation. Therefore, it's necessary for a community to develop long-term engaged collaboration and participation for outsiders such as academic. This article aims to explore the role of higher education in promoting sustainable tourism destination in Thousand Island, especially in Pramuka and Panggang Islands. Pramuka Islands tourism potential includes natural and man-made tourism attraction, culinary specialists, and souvenir, easy to access, complete facilities, as well as the support of the government and community in tourism development. In addition to working in the tourism sector, Pramuka Island residents also work as fishermen who produce variety of fish with limited processes such as breaker, salted fish, and dry fish. We have several methods. First, participating and action approach are used to facilitate knowledge transfer in creating sustainable tourism destination program through training of zero waste tourism destination branding, advanced fish processing, and introducing a website development for branding. And the second one is training was held face to face in Rumah Literasi Hijau with 22 housewives as participant and 15 teenagers member of Karang Taruna of Panggang Island. The activity were held in 2 days at 28 until 29 October 2023. And the third one is the activity are under the program of Binus Bangun Desa with the tagline Empowering Society, Building Nation, and it's a second year implementation in Pramuka and Panggang Islands. Okay, we have two approach. The first approach is about zero waste tourism destination branding. One of element of sustainable tourism destination is waste management. Plastic waste are processing using pyrolysis technology with a convert biomass to an intermediate liquid product that can refine drop in hydrocarbon, biofuels, oxygenate fuels, additive, and protect chemical replacement. Pyrolysis processing over as one of the a tourism attraction that tourists or visitor that interest with the activity can be participate in the workshop organized by Rumah Literasi Hijau. First day, the team conducted training introduction branding strategy to promote zero waste tourism destination. And the training material focused to creating a campaign message to be implemented in the tourist destination. And the second one approach is about creating fish meatball and other popular fish snack. Yeah, first processing is very easy because it can be done by industry or houses and does not require high cost. Fish can be processed into various snacks such as cireng. Cireng is original West Java's food made from starch or crackers. The Chira is prospective as household business or industry from small, medium to mass production. The theme also introducing the packaging of fried fish meatball or basreng, we call basreng, and strategic promotion of the product. In the future, the activity projected to empower community in fish product diversification and become a value added of tourism activity. So the interview with the community representing of nine, the training of motivate them to the transformation of the perspective of tourism activity. The academic has several role in the developing sustainable tourism destination. The beneficiary take an advantage from the university include facilitate community in building or share horizon between different stakeholders in case of Pramuka and Panggang Island. They can identify the new stakeholder of the tourism program, making more credible with their local network and foster the self-confidence in developing local potential for the common good. The training activity is promoting sustainable tourism destination in Thousand Island district, shown that the trust among the higher education and community is the essential element for long-term collaboration. So the conclusion, the engagement between higher education and community in Thousand Island district appeal pivotal in terms of exploring new ideas and innovation in creating new market and customer exploitation the existing natural resources in positive way for sustainability. Community participation in every stage of community transformation is essential to ensure the consistency on considering the complex depend on to environmental, social, and economic issue. I think that's all for our team. Thank you.